Hey guys, today's lesson 10.3, really similar to yesterday, tenths. Well, today's hundredths. So your vocabulary word is hundredths, and the definition is 1 part of 100 equal parts. An example can be, I'm going to divide this into 100 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It always happens. There's 10. Here's how I make it into 100. I make 10 spaces horizontally. And if we've got 100 parts, and we'll say 3, 3 hundredths, and you color 3 of these. I didn't fully color in 10 parts, so this is 0 for the ones, no tens, 3 in the hundredths place. 1, 2, 3. So we don't have any tenths. Okay, we're going to review. We're going to review making a model. So you get to, number 1, use a model. Make a rectangle that's large enough for you. And let's do this again. 10 equal parts. See, practice really helps us to get better at this. And then 10 equal parts. And of course, inevitably, it kind of gets messy. All right, we're going to say that we want 4 hundredths. So I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice again, we have nothing in the tenths place because we haven't fully colored 10 parts. Okay, another way to represent hundredths is to use a place value chart. So you made your rectangle. Ones, tenths, hundredths, label it, and make your decimal point. Very important. Sorry, I kind of moved on without labeling this, and this is 4 hundredths. Now using a place value chart, there are no ones, there are no tens, there are 4 hundredths. We're going to continue working with the number 4 hundredths. Our new representation is money, and these are pennies. As you can see, we have 4 pennies that you can draw. And I'm going to put a dollar sign. We haven't made a dollar. We haven't even made 10 cents, no tenths. We have 4 cents. That's 4 out of 100 cents. So if these are all pennies and this whole box makes $1, we only colored 4, we have 4 pennies, that means we have 4 hundredths of a dollar. Okay, let's move on to an example with the word problem. And the word problem says that it rained 13 out of the past 100 days. What part of the days did it rain? Since today's lesson is hundredths, then I need to make my model with 100 parts. And again, we practice trying to make 10 equal size parts. Some are a little bigger than the others. That was 10 parts. Okay. If it rained 13 out of the past 100 days, I'm going to color 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 100ths. And the way this is written is 0 point. We have a tenth and we have 3 hundredths. This is said 13 hundredths. So the way you say it is going to go in quotation marks. 13 hundredths. Okay. And on to our new representation of decimals. This is the way we use them every day. A real life, what do those word problems say? Let's see. How would you use this in real life? Come up with a real life word problem. All right, we have 3 dimes. I labeled them with the D's. Those are 10 cents each. And 1 penny. Okay, and I'm going to make a place value chart for this one. Ones, tenths, hundredths, THS. Okay. And again, we have no dollars. We have 3 tenths and 1 hundredth. That's 31 cents. This is said when we talk money, 31 cents, because this is 31 out of 100. And hey, why not? Last minute to do this. Oh, I'm going to go fast. I'm sorry if it's super messy. We've got 3 dimes, 10, 20, 30, and 1 penny. And that's the way that looks.